Today we're going to explain the easiest and fastest way to delete a Google account or a Gmail account, since it's the same thing. We'll guide you step by step, without needing a technician. We'll explain everything. The recommendation is always to watch the video tutorial, so you don't miss any details and we can help you resolve this issue. With all that said, we're going to go the Start menu and then look for the Settings option. In Settings, we'll find the Accounts section and select Accounts. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to delete. Click where it says Delete Google Account. If you have a screen lock or fingerprint, it will ask for it. Select it, and it will be completely deleted.